Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we got a huge SHEIN haul. Well, it's kind of huge. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here. I think there's a lot of stuff in here. My name is Sally. If you haven't been here, on this channel we do a lot of clothing hauls, unboxings, a lot of we try on stuff on my body. Basically, that's what's happening on this channel. So today I got a little bit of tech accessories. I think I got, hold on, let me look. I honestly forgot. Wait, should we just, what? I think we're just gonna be surprised. I just got this email that, wow, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna be surprised. Honestly, I think we can both be surprised. I think it's gonna be a little bit better if we're just surprised. So without further ado, let's get into that SHEIN haul. Okay, let's start with this one. I think this says SHEIN Swim, so this is definitely a swimsuit. We are going into the fall season, but here in Southern California, you can be in a swimsuit all year long and it will be perfectly fine. This is so cute. Oh my god, look at it. It has glitter. Wait, it has glitter. Oh, that is adorable. That is all adorable. What size did I get it? 1XL. Okay, this is gonna fit my boobs. Yes, it will. Okay, cool. And then it came with, I think this is like a sarong. It's so pretty. Look at that color. Oh my goodness, wait. I need to go to the pool now. My best friend has a pool, maybe she'll invite me soon. And then it has a high-waisted thong. I did get it in 1XL. I'm usually an XL, but SHEIN usually runs a little bit smaller, so I always size up in their clothes. Look at how beautiful this one is. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so sparkly. So this is a 3-piece. We're gonna have to peek because I have to tell you how much everything is. Okay, so I actually got it for $13.52, and honestly it's super cute. In the picture though, it does look a little more purple, so I thought it was gonna be a little more purple, but it's a little more pink in real life. But honestly, I'm okay with it because I don't have this type of pink. It's like a fuchsia color, and I think it's just so pretty with the sparkles. It's honestly really cool. So yes, let's try it on. Oh, then I got this. Is this what I think it is? Oh, it's actually very nice material. Oh, perfect for the Halloween season. Look at this. Look at this. It's a Scream t-shirt. It's like a washed out faded tee, but it's actually very soft, and it's Scream. Oh my god, I love Scream. It's one of my favorite 90s movies. I'm a 90s baby. I have like a Scream box from Glamlight that I got. Well, it wasn't really car, but I mean, I bought it myself because I can't be unfair. I bought it myself. Anyways, and I have like the Glamlight eyeshadow palettes and like everything Ghostface. I have Ghostface earrings. Like I freaking love Ghostface. I really do. I think it's really cute. I should have got a Ghostface phone cover for the month of October, but look at how cool this is. Oh, Mom, let's go ahead and wait. Hold on. How much was this? $9.57. That's pretty good for $10. Like the quality of this is thick and it's stretchy and it looks like a washed faded tee. Like it's really nice. And I got it in size 0XL. It's really cool. Let's try it on. Okay, so next I got this top, and it is like a corset. Oh, this is so, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this. Look at how beautiful this corset top is. Is this a, oh, and it's a halter top too. It has some boning in the corset itself, so it will actually keep the girls up, and it has some boning here in the front, so it's an actual corset. It has beautiful lace all around, and on the back it does clasp like a corset. I got this in 1XL. Again, like I said, SHEIN does run a little small, so I did get a little bit bigger size. And this retailed, do I have a skirt? Do I have a black skirt? I need a black, wait, do I have a black skirt? Maybe I have a black skirt for this. $9.68. Okay, that is amazing. $9 for this? That is so cool. Literally. Okay, let's try it on. I got the same thing but in a tank top for those summer nights that's still summer, you know. Oh my, I am so, I love this. It is so cool. It is cropped though. It's very cropped, but look at how freaking cool that looks, the ghost face. That is so cool. I think this was super inexpensive too. $3.66, so $4, and it was size XL. Let's try it on. I think this is another swimsuit. You guys will be lucky today to see me in a swimsuit. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You probably don't even want to see me in a swimsuit. It's okay. Okay, this is a brown one because I thought this chocolatey brown color is so pretty. It's like a copper brown. And how does... Hello? How does this go? Do I need to see the model? I'm gonna be real with you guys. I have no clue how this goes. Absolutely no clue. Oh, it ties in the front, as you can see from the picture. Ties from the front. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this on. That's cool. And then it does have, I love how everything is high-waisted and it's like it actually will cover your booty because I hate those that are not high-waisted. So here's are the bottoms. They are high-waisted, they're double lined, pretty stretchy. And then it came with the sarong skirt material thing. That is the skirt of it. Very pretty, very stretchy. I like it. Let's try it on. Black and I don't know what it is. I just know it's black. I think it's a top. I completely forgot what I got. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so... Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You see here? It has some gold accents to it. It ties. I think this goes like, hold on, it's untying. I think this is the front. Here is your straps and then it ties like this. And then you get like a cow neckline. In the back, I don't know if you could tell, but it is kind of see-through, but I feel like, oh, I need some black sticky boobs. I don't have any black sticky boobs. I need to order some from Temu immediately because you're going to be able to see everything. Maybe you won't. Hopefully you won't. Yeah, so, and then it is like a low back in the back. You see this? I kind of wish it was double lined. Oh man, now I wish it was double lined. And then it has the ruching on the sides. $4.13. Oh, I scored. Wow, let's try it on. Okay, then I got some PJs. I have, actually before we move on, I do want to show you the phone case that I got. So I got this purple phone case. That's how much it was. And then I got this Popsocket thing, but I took it off. I'm not gonna lie to you. I bought an actual pop, well, I didn't buy it. I got gifted. I had an actual Popsocket, but I didn't like the design of it. So what I did is I took off this part. So I took off the Care Bear and the alien, which is so freaking cute. I took it off. I scraped the glue off and then I put nail glue all over it and I put it there and it's stuck. The nail glue is sturdy. It's stuck on and now I have a actual phone grip because I'm not gonna lie, this one is very cheap. Like even though it's inexpensive, this little thing, it was very cheap and it fell off right away. So I was like, no. So anyways, I made my own phone cover. So I got that. And I think it was total of like $4 maybe. But go to SHEIN for your phone covers, I'm telling you. I did get a PJ set, which I love dinosaurs. I don't know if you know, but like some of my favorite movies was like Land Before Time, Dinosaur, Jurassic Park. I love dinosaurs, all things dinosaurs. Like when I was a little kid, I would be at dinosaurs rather than playing with Barbies. Love dinosaurs, I'm obsessed. Anyways, so here, and I wanted to be a paleontologist. I mean, I kind of did go that route in college. Like I studied anthropology in a little bit, but then I kind of dropped out of college. But anyways, that's a different story. But yeah, so dinosaurs are amazing to me. I freaking love them. And look at how cute this PJ set is. It is adorable. It's adorable. This is an XL. Surprisingly, it kind of looks like a 1X. Pretty good size. This is an XL. And then it has the shorts. Look at the shorts. Look at the shorts. It has little ruffles at the bottom. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh. Cool. This is adorable. These are my favorite PJs of all time. I've ever had as a little kid. These are my favorite PJs. This was $10. $10 for this. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, before we move on, I got a Popsocket. I got a Popsocket, which is a star, and this is an actual good one. Those crappy ones that they sell, like it actually does pop out, and it's not just like a hole for your finger. Like it's actually pretty good. So got that one. I was originally gonna put it on this one, but then I really like the little Care Bear one. I thought it was so cute. Got this one, but story, okay, so this is how it's supposed to look. But the little butterfly that was here, it tore off right away. Like it was so cheap, that little thing. I did like this cover. It's so squishy, and I was really sad. So now I'm debating to put the star over it. Actually kind of looks cute with the star. You see, I'm debating to put that star with the butterflies. I think it will look cute, but I need to scrape this off because I really like this, and it's very jelly-like. It's very squishy, so it looks really cool. But it came off. Why is it like that? You know what? I put glue underneath because the mirror was coming off, and now it's all gross. I don't think the glue took very well to this cheap mirror. It was like a very, that's how it's supposed to look. Okay, look at how it looks now. Ugh. I might just throw this away. I don't even know if it's worth returning it. Like, would they even take that? Like, you damaged it. No, you sold me a crappy mirror. Crappy mirror thing. $1.73. I don't know if it's worth it. Oh my. Remember how I said that this was $10? It wasn't. It wasn't. It was $5 because I accidentally bought a second one. A second pair of PJs. I am going to keep both of them because they are amazing, okay? I'm going to keep both of them. They are amazing. It was $10 for two. I'm set. I'm set with PJs. I'm so happy I got those. They are so soft, so comfy, beautiful. Okay, thank you so much for coming for my SHEIN haul. Tell me down below in the comments what was your favorite item. Honestly, the PJs, I don't think you can really beat the PJs in my personal opinion, but I do love dinosaurs. So yeah, so I got some stuff to be ready for fall. I got some dress shirts. I got swimsuits, some accessories, and on total, actually, you know what I don't like anymore is that Temu doesn't total up. Temu, oh my, wow, wrong person. SHEIN doesn't total up the total packages anymore. Everything is separated out because it's different sellers, so I don't know how much the total was, and I don't feel like doing the math because math is hard, and that's why I dropped out of college, okay, because it was hard for me. But anyways, thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally. I do have a lot of SHEIN and Temu and Fashion Nova and a bunch of clothing hauls here on my channel, so if you are interested in that, you like my style, you like my vibes, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video before you leave. It really does help out so much more than you know. It helps out with engagement. Comment down below. That really helps out as well. And don't forget to click the little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.